Ever accidentally shared your family's dinner conversation, your dog's barking, or the incessant clicking of your keyboard with your entire gaming squad? Well, then you're in luck, because today, we're diving into Nvidia Experience and learning how to silence the chaos with the push-to-talk feature. This is going to make your online communication seamless and noise-free. First things first, make sure you had the Nvidia Experience software installed and updated then. While in your favorite game, look for the Nvidia Experience overlay. You can usually activate it by pressing a specific key combination, typically Alt-C. Now that you've got the overlay up, navigate to the settings option, usually shown by a gear icon. Clicking here is the key to unlocking your customization. Once in the settings menu, look for the audio tab. This is your command center for all things audio. In this section, you'll find the option for push-to-talk. Click on that menu so you can start customizing your push-to-talk settings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll likely need to enable the feature first. After that, you can assign a key for your push-to-talk function. Choose a key that's easily accessible and doesn't interfere with your game controls. Finally, test it out. Jump into your game and press your assigned push-to-talk key. While speaking, you should see a visual indicator, like your microphone icon lighting up, letting you know that your voice is being transmitted. If you are successful, you have now mastered audio control. Congratulations!